Hi everyone, we'll go back to a reaction with director Carson for the next of Sonic Boom was Season 1, Episode 10. So anyways, enjoy the video. Sonic Boom. Dude, where's my Eggman? Did they hit their head?
What happened to us last night? My head is spinning.
That's not spinning. This is. Oh, that was a mistake. I hope whatever we did yesterday didn't involve a heavy meal.
Huh, they did not hit their head. They probably spin their heads, I think.
Last night's memory file appears to have been erased. Check yours.
Where was I?
Perhaps Dr. Eggman knows something about this. Dr. Eggman, sir? That's odd. Usually by this time he's telling us how inadequate we are. It appears as though he's completely vanished.
So wait, Dr. E ain't here? I can do whatever I want? I'm gonna kick over that garbage can!
You can't kick it. You have no feet. You only have flows.
That'll teach you to mess with me, Doc!
We need to figure out what happened to us last night and find Dr. Eggman. But where to start?
What do you two bolt bags want?
Oh, my own talk show, long blonde hair, taste buds.
But that's not why we're here. We seem to have misplaced Dr. Eggman. Did you and he perchance battle yesterday?
Oh, we battled all right. I remember like it was yesterday. It was yesterday. What was?
1 day ago.
I've got you now.
Oh no, I guess we have no other choice but to give up.
Hey, that's not how it...
Oof. He hid in the tree.
Now, you've made me mad.
What the? Did Knuckles have the power? I didn't even notice it. That was amazing.
I want to be just like you when I grow up.
When Sonic grown up?
All in a day's work.
Knuckles, did you just fly out, went into space, out of the planet?
I believe we were inquiring as to the whereabouts of Dr. Eggman.
Yeah, after we, as a team, defeated Eggman, he retreated toward the marketplace.
Many thanks.
Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to write my acceptance speech. What rhymes with governor?
Keep your optical sensors peeled, Cubot. There must be a clue around here somewhere.
Hey, you two! Oh, you got a lot of nerve coming around here after what Eggman pulled last night.
Dr. Eggman was here?
He was, and he tried to make me the victim of his most evil scheme to date.
I'd like to return
1 day
the
ago.
You can't expect a refund for that. It's broken.
What are you talking about? It works fine. See? But you have a 30-day return policy. This is ridiculous.
That didn't even fall the cans.
You just lost a customer, pal.
After he ran out, I called the police.
Officer?
Hey, don't sneak up on a guy. It's not nice.
Huh.
I do apologize.
Police do not like that,
Have
huh?
you seen our missing employer? He's a loud, stocky fellow with an evil laugh and a, you know.
Oh, no, that guy. He's a dangerous criminal. We caught him last night. The streets are much safer with him off the, streets. Thanks. You're welcome.
We need to raise bail money to get the boss out of jail. And I know just how to do it.
Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer, you. I
better idea.
What's their better idea?
With your donation, we can finally build that oil bath for the old robot's home.
Of course. I've been collecting for a charity myself. Operation Toasty Bee, we provide sweaters for baby penguins.
Huh, that was
It
cute.
must be so cold in the frozen tundra.
They are. And we have all these sweaters for them. But we can't afford the jet fuel to deliver the sweaters.
Those poor little fluff balls.
I was saving this money for that. But your cause seems important too. Here you go.
We can't do it. You keep the money. Oh, and take ours too.
Oh, they're sad about the picture, huh?
I don't think we should sell the Eggmobile. The boss ain't gonna like it.
Ah, I see what's going on here. You're trying to con me. Well, you're not gonna pull one over on D.W. Barker. No siree.
Oh, no, we're not trying.
So, how about I take her out for a test drive? If I like the way she runs, you've got yourselves a sale. Just name the price.
Hey,
I don't think he could drive it.
This guy must be a real sucker.
Mr. Barker, we have a deal.
That's it. We tried doing things your way. Now we're gonna do things my way. Boss, over here.
You got the wrong guy, dude.
Thanks for the help, fellas. I always appreciate a good jailbreak. Willie Walrus, nice to meet you.
We thought you was Eggman.
Oh, I get mistaken for him all the time. In fact, I was just talking to him about it last night. I was walking through the marketplace when...
You just lost a customer, pal.
Whoa! Who's this handsome?
1 days ago. I forgot to say.
I'd love to stay and chat, but I gotta break into a helium warehouse.
Well, you bumped into the right walrus. Breaking and entering is my speciality.
Well, what are we waiting for? After you. How do we know these are helium?
I'm not sure. If only there were some way to tell.
And that's the last I saw of him. I spent the rest of the night in the joint. Breaking and entering is my speciality, but I'm not so good at exiting.
Dr. Eggman! Dr. Eggman! Are you in here?
Here, Andy. Look. It's his disintegrator ray.
Finally, a real
Dr. Eggman left his
Now all we have to do
disintegrate.
is follow the path of
I mean,
destruction.
Ray. I mean.
Dr. Eggman's mustache. In his panic, he must have misfired his ray and
And all that's left of him is his glorious mustache.
Come on, Cubot. Let's go home.
They couldn't find their Dr. Eggman, so they're going home. They looked everywhere. Now they couldn't find it. Now they're home.
Surprise!
Dr. Eggman!
Hey, get off me!
We thought Dr. Eggman was
What are
missing.
you two clanking oil cans talking about?
You were gone this morning when we awoke.
I went to get a breakfast burrito.
We traced your footsteps all over town until we found your mustache at the helium warehouse.
Well, that's just part of the pin the mustache on the Eggman game I made for your party.
Oh,
Party?
right.
Yes! You said it would improve morale if I threw a surprise party.
You went
Oh
to-
yeah, it was a surprise party that he said. So it's his robots
I don't care about your nincompoops. I had you do all the work, and then I erased your memories to make sure it was still a surprise. So surprise!
And what a wonderful surprise it is.
Hang on a sec. You erased our memories? You can do that?
Oh yeah, I do it all the time. It's real simple. You just press this button right here.
Just like from the beginning of the episode.
What happened to us last night? My head is spinning.
That's not spinning. This is. Oh, that was a mistake. I hope whatever we did yesterday didn't involve a heavy meal.
Hey, do you two have any idea where the Eggmobile is?
Now, Dr.
I
Eggman
got
was not
no
missing.
idea, boss.
Sonic Boom, Season 1, Episode 10. Dude, where's my Eggman? The end. So everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe so I'll make some more videos. So, goodbye.